Hi, welcome back. My name is Jackie, for those of you who haven't met me, and I just want to say well done. Thank you for all the comments that you've made. It's brilliant, it's amazing, and it really helps, first of all, me to learn new things because I'm learning from you every single day, and it's lovely and able to share that you can all enjoy the oils. The whole point of this oil camp is in order to get you to use your oils maybe in ways that you didn't think possible or you didn't know about, but definitely useful, handy ways that you can use and share with people around you. So I did want to start by explaining to you that this is a fun project, and this is me showing you how to make your very own first aid kit. Now, for the sake of compliance, I'm not going to explain why I'm using the oils that I'm using. Hopefully from the videos that you will be watching, you will understand the properties and the uses of each oil, and you'll be able to understand from there. But what I am going to do is show you what I carry around with me in my first aid kit. But before that, I wanted to show you my keychain. I absolutely love my keychain, it's fantastic, and most of you will have seen this at in the accessories section within doTERRA in the back office. So when you're ordering, you go to the section. This is my son's. There is black, and there is also lilac, and mine is the lilac. So it comes with 8 drams, and these are filled for me, one with wild orange, and then I have another one with lemon because I add those to my water when I'm out and about. But then I also have the emotional aromatherapy kit, and I carry those with me always. So these are great if you have emotional issues or you just need a little bit of extra support. However, a first aid kit isn't purely on emotions, so I needed something a little bit larger, and this is what I came up with. So first of all, I went shopping, and I found that if you go to Boots or Superdrug, any pharmacy, and you look for a first aid travel kit, not only do you get a perfectly sized item that can fit into your handbag or into your car, but you also find that it comes with some extra bits and pieces. So in this case, it has bandage, it has plasters, it also has the wipes, which are non-alcoholic, all of those things that you're going to need anyway. So perfect, because it also has plenty of room that I can add things in. Now if you're adding oils, and I've got 2 here to show you so that you can see the size difference. So this is a 5 milliliter bottle, this is a 15 milliliter bottle. If you were to carry that size with you, first of all, your bag would be extremely bulky. Secondly, it would be very, very heavy, and if you were to lose it, then it's a lot of oil to lose. Even if you decided to take on the 5 milliliter bottle, the weight of 5 or 6 bottles, it's still bulky and it's still quite heavy. So the solution that you have are coming up, or I came up with, are the sample vials. Now most of you will have had samples given to you at one point, and generally they're going to be in either of these sizes. So this size is 1/4 of a dram, this size is 5/8 of a dram, and when you put them together you can kind of see that it's almost double. This one's almost double the size. I've filled this before now, and this has about 45 drops in to be completely full to the top. I suppose it's entirely up to you as to which one you prefer. I tend to go for this one simply because I'm a little bit lazy and I don't want to be refilling every 5 seconds. It means that I'm never caught short, and I always have my oils with me, and they're still small enough and light enough to fit into the first aid kit and not drag me down. If you don't have these, they're very easy to find. doTERRA do sell these in the accessory section, again in the back office. You can also buy these from Amazon, you can buy these from essentoils.co.uk, or you can buy them from essentialoilsupplies.co.uk. If you're in a hurry, we tend to, all your leaders, everybody who's enrolled you, you can always ask and buy a bag from us, because we will tend to have a lot more of these anyway, so even just to get you started, we could sell you a bag and then you can then order at a later stage. So I'm going to show you what I carry around with me and just give you a brief idea as to why. So to start off with, it's Digest Zen. Now here you have the, I'll just show you there. No, it's upside down, that's the right way. So here you have the label saying Digest Zen, oops, just dropped it, and the bottle showing you, he's still alive, and the bottle showing you Zengest. So it's just that Zengest is the American way and the Digest Zen is the UK way. So this is great. You don't really want to be left short of not having this oil with you. So if you have any upset tummy, or you have constipation or diarrhea, if you have children with you, this is a really good one to carry around with you. Maybe you're going to a restaurant and you've never eaten the food and you're a little bit sure if you're going to bloat or whatever. So that's definitely an oil that you want to bring with you and carry with you at all times. Another oil that would be really, really good is the peppermint. Now peppermint, I carry two versions of peppermint. I carry the essential oil with me, and I also carry the beadlets. It depends. You can make a decision and you can choose whether you carry the essential oil or the beadlets, because it will depend on what you're using the product for. So in this case, I tend to have the beadlets for when I'm driving. If I'm driving long distance, I need that little bit of a pick-me-up just to sort of help with focus, because peppermint is great for helping with focus, giving you that alertness. And the beadlets are fantastic. So I have one here and I wanted to show you. It's a really small diddly soft gel. Okay, inside this soft gel is 1/4 of a peppermint drop. Okay, so it's not a lot of oil, but it's potent, it's powerful. If you've never opened your bottle of peppermint oil, I suggest you do so now, and you smell how powerful the peppermint oil is. So you'd literally just pop this in your mouth, keep it in there. I mean, some people pop it instantly and then you get the hit of the peppermint, so fresh minty breath, really great. Other people, like myself, I will leave it in my mouth for a couple of seconds. It will automatically soften and then release the oil. So simple like this. Whew. Very, very powerful. I have now fresh minty breath, and I will be a little bit alert. So perfect. So the other oils that I wanted to bring your attention to is lavender. Lavender, as you will see from the videos that you'll be watching, absolutely fantastic. It is amazing. It's known as one of the Swiss Army knife of the oils. It's something that basically you'd have to have this in your first aid kit. No two ways about it. And then the other one, which goes hand in hand with the lavender, is melaleuca. The two of the oils, melaleuca and lavender, are your staple oils within your first aid kit, so you must have those. It would be silly not to have them and put them together. Now I tend to create this one. I've created for my mum, so here's one I prepared earlier, but this is light blue. It's in a 5 ml bottle because it's easier in a handbag, so it's the same thing, it takes up less room. This is a combination of deep blue and frankincense. So in a 5 ml bottle, you would just use half the amount if you were using a 10 ml bottle. This is great for if you have tension, anti-inflammatory, anything like that. You would literally just roll a ball it onto the area and that will help relieve the issues that you have. Now deep blue comes in a whole range. It comes in an essential oil, it comes in a rub. So you can carry a small sachet of the deep blue rub, or you can carry something like this, which is just as easy, small and light. Then I include TerraShield. Now in the weather that we have at the moment, you're going to have mosquitoes, you're going to have insect bites, you're with children, and the last thing you want to do is have your holiday spoilt because you're scratching, itching or in pain. So this is great for outdoor fun, walking the dogs, going out with the children, it doesn't really matter, but this is more of a preventive one because you would put this on before anything happens, whereas everything else tends to work after. But I carry this because it's absolutely fantastic. It's already in a spray form. It does come in the essential oil, so you can get this as an oil and then do the same thing with everybody else. Just pop them in a sample. But I buy this because it's ready. It smells of chocolate. So if you are a chocoholic like me, you will enjoy wearing this. And then, dead simple, and pop it in. So it's easy, everybody can use this. And then last but not least, I have Correct-X. Now Correct-X has frankincense, it has cedarwood, it has melaleuca, it has lavender, told you they were important, and it also has helichrysum. I think I've pronounced it correctly. For compliance purposes, it just tells you it's an essential oil ointment, but if you want to know a little bit more and you do some research on Correct-X, you will understand why this is very important. So if you do want to contact me and ask me, nudge nudge wink wink, I'll be able to explain that as well. And that's it. That is what I carry in my first aid kit. I think it is important, I think it's fantastic, and you know, it's worth creating, and it's fun. You can actually create these things with your children. So you could have a first aid kit for your children, a first aid kit for adults. Now the other thing as well, before I go, I wanted to bring your attention to the labels. Now a lot of you will have had these labels when you first enrolled, and they will be included in your welcome pack. They are so simple to use and really easy to pop those on the top of your bottles, just like I have with here, so that they're easy recognisable. When you're searching for lavender, you'll find it, melaleuca, you'll find it, peppermint, etc. So if you haven't, contact the person that enrolled you and they will be able to show you where it is. But other than that, enjoy making your first aid kit, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye bye.